Open yesterday morning and it wasn't even this bad. Oh, you have to go down to the creek and take a picture.
Taking a video.
Well, you know what I mean.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hurricane Harvey is tearing us up right now. It was raining super hard all night last night. My street got flooded. It's not flooded anymore, but it's still sprinkling a little bit. My mom told me that I think it's flooding down the street, down this street over here. But I don't know. I think I might go show you. I mean, I'm not taking my car though. Charlie can't go. I refuse. Water. The end of my driveway. Oh my gosh. One more time. One more time. One more time. Oh, I hate driving this thing. I hate it. Absolutely hate it. Oh. Oh. Your floor is flooded. Your floor is flooded. Our floor is flooded. I'm not going. I guess I'm taking my car. Who is calling me from Netherland, Texas? You scared, Joe? That's what you do when you're stuck inside because of a storm. You make pizza. You make pizza. You gotta find the positives. We're about to go for a little ride and see what this see what the flooding is looking like around the house. I know it's pretty bad down the street, I think. But I guess we'll find out, and I left my keys in the house. I'll be right back.
Dang, even the sidewalk's under before. I've never seen the sidewalk under. Sidewalk's never gone under before. Oh yeah, we gotta turn around.
I know. Oh man. Is it way up?
Wait, let them get out.
Oh Lord.
Wait. I think it's up higher than it's ever been.
Yeah.
You usually go around the curve.
Yeah, it's never that high.
Oh yeah, because you could get into the park.
Uh-huh.
Well, the park hasn't always been here. It wasn't here in Allison.
Yeah, I'm gonna go up a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna back in here. Oh, never mind. It's a freaking car right here. Can y'all see that? That's crazy. It's like a lake.
Mm-hmm. Dang, it's all the way up into their, almost all the way up to their building.
We're struggling out here in Texas. We're struggling. Pray for us.
I've seen lots of people on Facebook say they're praying. They don't even have to step up on the curb.
Oh.
I wonder if those people have water in their yard. I mean,
they have to.
Inside their house.
This is a creek by my house.
This is not even the creek. This
Okay.
is just a little gullyway or whatever you call that thing.
Well, it's a gully by my house.
It hardly ever has water in it.
Yeah, there's never water in there.
Wow.
This is just down the street from my house. I don't know if I want to get any closer because I can't swim. Can't swim. Might be snakes. Might be alligators. But damn. This is crazy. It's that park. It's the restrooms right there. This is crazy. I've never seen a flood like this before. Never, ever, ever. This drain is always empty. Huh? There's like no draining going on. So, my neighborhood's a death trap. My neighborhood's a death trap, apparently. That's a street. That's where the creek goes. All back there. Sandpiper Trails.
That sign down there.
This is a dead end. You can't even see the dead end sign. That tells you how high this water actually is.
People can actually usually park.
Yeah, you can park. You can park down these. Yeah, okay. All the way to the trees down there.
We're up to this.
This sucks. I'm glad we don't live over here. This is still Sandpiper Trails. It's just heading to Hirschfield. It's all. I don't know if you can see those mailboxes down there, but somebody was walking, and it was up to their. I don't know about their yeah, about their crotch area. I didn't. This is crazy. All this water, and it's still coming. Reporting live from Sandpiper Trails. We're gonna do our best to keep the channel about cars. Look at that nice Camaro over there. It's a V6 just like your boy, but it's a Camaro nonetheless.
Right here, because this little creek, this little bayou is not out.
This never has water in it.
Well, it's never been this high, but well, I'm still.
This is now what, day 4? Look at it. Just look at it. Oh, to the end of my driveway. Down the street. Covering the drains. It's not even draining anymore. Oh, I just wanted to stop. Now the main road. Yeah? No? It's all the way up to the curb. It's the main road. Ugh. It looks like they got water in their house. I've been fortunate enough to not have that happen to me yet. Hope it doesn't. This is gross. I need, it's like, ugh. I'm like going into the ground with every step I take. Hey, it's my neighbor. They're gone. There's the lake again. This is crazy. It's just never ending. I'm just ready for it to be done. You know what I mean?
It's up to the bottom of the mailboxes. You know, stand where I'm standing. You're gonna get your feet wet.
I'm not gonna stand right there. It's a lot worse now. That's
Wow. It looks like there's a bump in the road and there's not. Is there?
Mom, you're scaring Joe. Damn. It's like waves over there. I don't know if you can see them waves behind that boat right there. Stores. Stores. People don't want to leave their houses. And even them gas pumps is underwater. I ain't never seen that before. I don't want to say that we're completely in the clear of not flooding anymore, but we are doing a lot better. See, it's not flooding over there anymore. Streets opened up a little bit, but that's gonna conclude this video. I ain't never seen it rain or flood as much as it did these past couple days, and it's just crazy. Just pray for Houston and all the people that have been affected by this. I've been fortunate enough to not have anything of mine be flooded or be lost or damaged or anything like that. So I've been fortunate enough for that, and I'm thankful for that. But people that haven't been fortunate enough, who have had their houses flooded and had to leave and evacuate and have to start all over from scratch, pray for them, because they're the ones that need it. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Just keep us in your prayers, and whenever this is all done, I guess I'll drive around and show you where all the flood spots where it was flooding. Now during the storm, I'll show you what it looks like when it's not flooding. It's a big difference, I'll see you next video. Now I know I said I was going to end the video, but I gotta show you. Now I feel like it is safe to say that we have officially made it. Sun is out. I can see blue. You see the blue right there? No blue. It's all blue right here. Gray's over there. I think we done. Still bad over there in them houses. But that's gonna take a couple days for it to dry out. There comes Charlie. She wanna be drove so bad. I know, baby, I know. I wanna drive you too. Alright. With that, that's gonna do it for the video. I think it's safe to say that we have officially weathered the storm. Finally. Been, I don't know, 4 days. Still, pray for all the people that were affected more than me. I'll see you next video.